How to activate autosave. You can activate the autosave mode for the whole editor, so for every project, or just for single projects. So if you want to activate the autosave for the whole editor, you need to navigate in the editor to the Editor tab. Hit the autosave button. Activate the autosave and choose a time interval. If you're done, hit the save button. Now, every project in the editor will autosave in 10 minutes time interval. But if you want for this current project another time interval, you need to navigate under the Project Explorer to the project settings, navigate to autosave, deactivate the Use Editor settings, activate the autosave for the single project and choose a time interval. If you are done, hit the save button.